So for this hack, all we need is a tea bag and a scissor. You can get a tea bag for worth like 60 rupees. That's it. Turn the tea bag round and all you have to do is cut the bottom part. Cut as much as back you want to show and पहले ही कम कट करना, ज़्यादा कट मत करना, क्योंकि कम कट किया तो ज़्यादा कट बाद में कर सकते हो, ज़्यादा करने के बाद कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. After the back side is done, turn the tank top towards the front side and all you have to do is cut exactly at the center from the bottom to the top. And you're done!